Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here, and you already know what we're about to do, makeup tutorial. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this makeup look. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming in. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open, take that hot road and hop in. First impression. So welcome back guys, welcome everyone. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. And if you are a new subscriber, you're seeing this face for the first time, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on that notification bell so you know whenever I post videos. So today I'm going to be using my brow pencil this is my Jordana brow pencil, I guess. Yeah, this is my Jordana brow pencil. I'm going to be doing my brows, and I'm going to be doing this makeup look using the James Charles palette, the Morphe and the James Charles palettes. Like since I got that palette, I have just been using it even for my like everyday makeup and everything. This is Hegai and Esther brow cream. This is a Nigerian brand, yeah, and their products are amazing. It's very good. So if you want that, go ahead and grab it. And by the way, I have a video on how I installed my wig. This is actually a wig. Yes, it's a wig. So I have a video on how I installed my wig. So I think I'll be dropping, if you want to see that, I don't know, because I already have too many videos of that, but if you want to see that, I can just leave a comment in the comment section and I will definitely drop that video. And this is my angle brush from Morphe. This is my Morphe angle brush, like the two-sided brush. Yeah, that's it. And then I'll be applying my Colourpop concealer all over my eyelid, and then blending everything in using my Real Technique beauty blender. And this is my NYX eyeshadow primer. I'll be applying that all over my eyelid. I'm blending everything in with this brush. This brush, it came in a set. I got it from Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box down below. So if you need that, you can click on the description, click on the link and get one for you. And then this is my James Charles palette. This is my Morphe and the James Charles palette, the beautiful, colorful palette. I love this palette. I love it. Like, I love all the colors in it, and it's just too colorful. It's beautiful. Impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Don't forget to like this video and share my video. I'm just reminding you so you don't forget. Like, what are you waiting for? Join the family. I appreciate you all. I would
Really love it if you join the family by clicking that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. So I do appreciate that, and to all my subscribers, I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always sticking with me. Thank you guys. I can't really thank you guys enough. So all I have to do is keep posting videos, keep showing you guys how it's done and everything. And this is my L'Oreal eyeliner. I'm going to be lining my eyes.
We should be closer friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up.
And this is also my NYX eyeliner, the in white. I'm going to be lining that in my waterline, on my waterline. So I'm back to the James Charles palette. You know, we're just doing something colorful today. I feel like doing something colorful, and that is what we are doing. Something colorful.
You won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
So now I'm applying my face primer. This is my Rimmel Stay Matte face primer. And it's really good since I started using it. I just love it. I just like it. I always go for products that are not too expensive but also still does the job. So if you don't have money for the high-end products and all that, you can just stick with these. And then I'm applying my foundation. So like I told you guys, I got this brush set of Amazon, and I have the link in the description box below. In case you need that, you can go ahead and click on the link and get yours. It's like very cheap too. It's not expensive at all. I think I got it for $10 or so.
The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up, tear you out for puffball. Let your emotion walk.
And then I'm applying my Colourpop concealer to highlight my face.
Open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up, tear you out for puffball. Let your emotion walk.
I also use the LA Girl concealer. These are the two concealers that I use, the Colourpop concealer and the LA Girl concealer. So whichever you want to get, those two are really good. So whichever one you want to get, they are really good. So you can get anyone.
Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a factory. Open up, open, open.
And then I'm applying my setting powder. This is the Airspun setting powder. Yeah, I got that off Amazon too. It's a setting powder, the Airspun setting powder. I got it from Amazon. And I'm using this e.l.f. contour kit to contour my nose. Like you already know, whenever it comes to contour and highlighting, I don't really like doing too much. I just do a little bit of that, and I don't do too much unless it's for like a client. But I don't just like doing too much of the contour and highlighting. So I'm using my e.l.f. contour kit.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be close and friends.
And I'm brushing off everything. I'm blending in everything.
Request my chariot and get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up, tear you out for puffball. Let your emotion walk, fall on me.
Applying my Milani Fantastic bronzer. And this is my elf blush. I'm applying this elf blush. It has so many beautiful colors. Like, I love the blush. It has so many beautiful colors for dark skin, light skin, whichever one. It just has so many beautiful colors. And then going back in with my Fantastic bronzer. And then my Smashbox setting spray. I love this setting spray. Like, I used to use the Forever setting spray, and I love that too. I love it as well, but then I got this one and I started using it more often because I love it. I'm going in with my lip pencil. Let's line the lips.
You OPN, we should be close and friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us.
Then going in with this lip, this is a lip gloss, yeah, lip gloss.
She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion walk, follow me. Open up. Open up.
Yeah, so this is it. We are done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much. I would appreciate it if you are new, if you would click on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. I'll be dropping the next video soon. As you guys all know, I post videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so even if you don't see anything on Wednesday, definitely on Sunday I post my videos, so please do come back to check out any videos that I've posted. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for sticking with me, and if you have any video requests, please drop it down in the link, drop it in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. And if you have any questions, drop it there. See you all in the next video.